Little storyteller.
Noah loved school. His teacher, Miss Lily, had kind eyes and a smile that made everyone feel happy. Her classroom was a rainbow of colors, with drawings taped to the walls and soft, fluffy cushions on the reading rug. One sunny afternoon, Noah saw Miss Lily sitting at her desk. Her smile wasn't as bright as usual, and she looked a little tired. Her shoulders were slumped, like a wilting flower. The children had just finished a fun painting lesson, and the big whiteboard was covered in colorful smudges of red, blue, and yellow. Noah looked at the messy board and then back at Miss Lily. He thought about how his own mommy got tired after a long day of work. Maybe teachers got tired too. A little idea bloomed in Noah's heart like a tiny seed. Quietly, Noah tiptoed to the supply cupboard. He found a soft, yellow sponge and a bottle of sparkly blue cleaner. He sprayed a little cleaner on the board, and it smelled like sweet blueberries. Then, with big, careful strokes, Noah started to wipe the colorful smudges away. The sponge swished and swirled, and soon a clean green board peeked through. Miss Lily looked up and saw Noah cleaning the board. Her tired eyes widened in surprise, and then a big, warm smile spread across her face, brighter than the morning sun. "Oh, Noah, thank you," she said. "That was so thoughtful of you." Her voice sounded a little less tired now. Noah felt a warm, happy feeling inside his chest. It felt good to help Miss Lily. The other children saw the clean board and smiled too. Miss Lily told them, "Noah showed us a wonderful way to be kind. When we see someone who needs help, even a little bit of help can make a big difference." From that day on, Noah always looked for small ways to help his teachers and his friends. He learned that being kind not only made others happy but made his own heart feel happy too. And Miss Lily's smile became even brighter, filling the colorful classroom with warmth and joy every day.
Please subscribe. Thank you.